Thank you for using Exactix, the web-based location request and management platform from UDig NY. In this video, we will look at the location request copy function. First, we will go over who has access to the copy function. Next, we will cover in which situations it is appropriate to use the copy function. Finally, we will take a step-by-step look at how to use the copy function. UDig NY released the copy function to allow advanced users in the excavator tickets role to streamline their workflow and avoid repetitive data entry work on large projects. The copy function is not available to users in the excavator, training role, or the single address ticket role. If you have questions about your Exactix role or believe you should be in a different role, please contact UDig NY's web services team at webservices@udigny.org. The copy function allows users in the excavator, tickets role to duplicate the information from an existing location request that they have already submitted into a new location request. The submitted location request is not affected by this action, and the new location request can then be edited with any necessary changes to ticket information before submitting. The copy function is appropriate to use on geographically large projects that require submitting multiple similar location requests for different dig areas. Examples include sign or pole installation on long stretches of road, ditching, and road reconstruction. The copy function should not be confused with the locate again function. The locate again function is to be used when resubmitting a location request for the same dig area because the location request has expired. The copy function should not be used in this situation. To use the copy function, perform the following steps. First, find the location request you wish to copy. If you are looking at the location request in a list view, select the three-dot menu to open the menu options, and select Copy from the list of options. Alternately, if you already have the location request you wish to copy open, you can simply select the Copy button located in the upper right corner of the screen. If you select Copy on a ticket that has a manually drawn dig site, a dialog box will appear asking you if you wish to keep the manually drawn dig site, or reset it to the entered location. Now that the location request has been copied, you can make any necessary changes to the location request fields starting from the excavator/site contact information. Please note that if your Exactix account is associated with projects for more than one company or office, you will have the option to change the company or office that the new location request is listed under. To do this, find the box on the right side of the location request form titled, "You are connected to multiple companies or offices" and select the company or office that you wish the location request to be under. Before you submit the new location request, it is very important that you review the new location request's information and confirm the ticket creation map accurately reflects the new work site. If the ticket creation map is not visible, please select the map button to the right of the ticket form to view it. Once you have confirmed that all location request information is accurate, you can submit the location request as you normally would. If you have any questions or need assistance with the copy function or changing location request information, please reach out to UDig NY's web services team by visiting my.udigny.org and select Exactix support for excavators to submit a service desk request. Alternatively, you can send us an email to webservices@udigny.org. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to UDig NY on YouTube for more helpful videos.